The Fast Fall Detection System is a unique home safety device, developed to reduce the risk that falls pose to the elderly while living alone. According to the World Health Organization, falls are one of the most significant risks to our older friends and family members, particularly those over the age of 65. Our system uses a motion sensor and a camera to detect and capture falls. It then sends this data to a processing server where it determines if a fall has occurred. The user interaction system will then offer the appropriate assistance. It achieves this in 3 steps. First, let's look at the hardware preventing motion detection and the capturing of falls.
The FPGA uses a PIR sensor to detect motion in the room. If motion is detected, then the system begins recording data from the camera. The camera is a low-cost dynamic vision sensor, meaning that it only captures movement via changes in the image. This design decision makes the system less intrusive within the home, as individual people cannot be identified. Once movement is detected, the recorded data is encoded to reduce the file size, before being wirelessly transmitted to a processing server.
The fall classification part of the project takes the DVS frames that have been wirelessly transferred from the FPGA and determines whether or not the user has fallen. This is done using a convolutional neural network that has been trained to detect falls in DVS frames. If a number of sequential frames are classified as falls, then the fall classification system determines that a fall has occurred and the user interaction system is triggered.
When the system is triggered, the system uses text-to-speech to ask the user a series of questions in order to evaluate the situation. A hidden Markov model trained on the English language is then used to recognise the speech and determine what is being said. Depending on the user's responses, the system will either call an ambulance, a previously named contact, or deactivate. When someone receives the call, an automated system informs them that the user has fallen and requires assistance, and provides their address. There are several safety measures in place to stop the system making the wrong decision. If the system is incorrectly triggered, the user can say stop at any point and the system will deactivate. If the user does not respond or cannot be understood, an ambulance is called because it is assumed that they need immediate medical attention.
Overall, this system brings a number of advantages in that it is relatively low cost but does not require a monthly subscription. This product provides a non-invasive method of detecting falls and acquiring the appropriate help in a fast, efficient and secure way, with no need to constantly wear a device or pay a monthly subscription. We believe that this unique, innovative product can save lives.